In this video, we compare HS175D GPS Drone Package and HOVERAir X1 Drone. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The HS175D GPS Drone Package by Holy Stone offers a 4K ultra-clear camera featuring a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens, ensuring high-resolution images and smooth, stable videos even under challenging conditions. With GPS auto-return, the drone can automatically return home when the signal is lost, out of range, or low on power, providing a worry-free flight experience. Enhanced flight experience is guaranteed with 2 batteries offering up to 46 minutes of flight time, along with features like altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, one-key takeoff landing, and speed adjust. The drone is thoughtfully designed with a foldable fuselage, making it easy to store and portable for outdoor travel, and its weight is under 250 grams, saving users from FAA registration. It comes packed with intelligent functions, including the ability to trace and follow automatically, fly along a set path, circle around a point, and take photos or videos when you pose to the camera. With a review score of 4.1 and over 5,950 reviews, the HS175D GPS Drone Package is a highly rated product, offering excellent value for its price of $169.99. The HOVERAir X1 Drone is a self-flying camera that uses advanced tracking algorithms to follow the user at speeds up to 15 miles per hour, making it ideal for capturing action in sports like cycling or skateboarding. Despite weighing less than an iPhone at 125 grams, this drone offers a high degree of portability and simplicity, taking off from your palm with a single click and folding away for easy transport. The drone offers a variety of intelligent flight paths including hover, follow, zoom out, and orbit, with each battery supporting approximately 20 of these paths for about 11 minutes of flight time. The HOVERAir X1 Drone supports 2.7K at 30 FPS and 1080p HDR video shooting with a triple stabilization system that ensures smooth video effects and excellent fast motion capturing capability. The HOVERAir X1 app allows for live monitoring of the drone's camera feed and manual control of its flight path, while also offering a platform for downloading and sharing photos and videos. The drone is fully enclosed with safety guards and boasts 32 gigabytes of internal storage, securing your privacy with locally stored content and providing an extra layer of protection for both the drone and its surroundings. Upon comparing the HS175D GPS Drone Package and the HOVERAir X1 Drone, it's clear that both products offer unique advantages. The HS175D drone, with its 4K ultra-clear camera and GPS auto-return feature, seems tailored for users seeking high-quality aerial photography and a worry-free flight experience. Its long flight time of up to 46 minutes, made possible by 2 batteries, is a significant advantage, particularly for prolonged outdoor adventures. On the other hand, the HOVERAir X1 drone, while it offers a slightly lower resolution at 2.7K at 30 FPS, excels in its self-following capability, making it an excellent choice for sports enthusiasts looking to capture their actions in real time. The X1 drone is also impressively lightweight and portable, even more so than the HS175D. However, it offers a shorter flight time of around 11 minutes. In terms of price, the HS175D drone is more affordable, but the HOVERAir X1 drone's higher rating suggests a higher level of customer satisfaction. Ultimately, the choice between these two drones depends on the specific needs and budget of the user.